Hello children, welcome to the academic year 2020-21. I am your master, Mr.Shaikh.Mohammed.Zubair, who will be teaching history and civics in Standard 7. So let's begin Chapter 1, Sources of History. Introduction. We studied ancient history last year. This year we are going to study the medieval period of Indian history. Broadly, the period from the 9th century CE till the end of the 18th century CE is considered to be the medieval period of Indian history. In this lesson, we are going to study the sources of medieval history. First, let's learn what history is. History is the chronological, scientific, systematic account of past events. Four factors which are very important from the viewpoint of history are individual, society, place, and time. History must be based on authentic evidence or proofs. These proofs are known as the sources of history. Let us classify these sources. They are divided into three types as follows: material, written, and oral sources. To learn more about them, let us also evaluate the sources of history. We have to consider many factors related to the historical event that we want to study. It is necessary to support our study with historical sources. These sources have to be verified. We have to see whether they are authentic. It is necessary to use these sources judiciously and only after a critical analysis. Let's learn material sources. In a layman's language, it is also called as physical sources. That means you can touch and feel it. They are as follows: memorials, buildings, cave sculpture, inscriptions, coins, and forts. Forts have an important place among material sources. Some major types of forts are as follows: hill forts, forest forts, sea forts, and forts on the plains. Monuments includes samadhis, graves, veergaras, palaces, ministerial mansion, Queen's quarters, which is also known as Rani Vasa, and the houses of a common man. Looking at all these things, we come to know about the development of architecture, the economic conditions, the quality of art, the style of the building construction, and people's standard of living in that particular period. Coins made by different rulers use metals like gold, silver, and copper. From these coins, we learn about the rulers, their period, governance, religious ideas, personal details, etc. Similarly, we also learn about the financial transactions and economic conditions prevailing at that time. We also see how far metallurgy had advanced in that period, from the images of Ram Sita on the coins of Emperor Akbar. We must also know his full